this video we show you how to assemble and disassemble taper bushes step by step. As an example, we demonstrate how to assemble a pulley with a taper bush on a geared motor. Depending on their size, these bushes will have 2 or 3 smooth holes for assembling and 1 or 2 threaded bores for disassembling. Please remember to have some tools ready. Here we show you our recommended tools: soft face hammer, flathead screwdriver, Allen screwdriver or Allen key, torque wrench, grease, oil and a cleaning agent. First, clean and degrease all contact surfaces. The taper bush is then inserted into the hub so that all of the holes are aligned with each other. One threaded half bore must always align with one of the unthreaded half bores of the counterpart. For connections without a feather key, make sure the keyway of the bush is offset by 180 degrees to the shaft keyway. For connections with a feather key, for use at high torques, align the keyway with the parallel key. Now push the component to be mounted together with the taper bush on the shaft. Lubricate the fastening screws on the contact surfaces and then screw them into the threads loosely. Now use the torque wrench. Tighten the screws evenly up to the maximum torque. The tightening torques can be found in the displayed table. To improve the fit of the bushes, drive the bushes further into the component to be fastened using light hammer blows. Then tighten the screws again using the torque wrench. There will be 1 or more extraction holes, depending on the clamping bush type being used. Fill the empty holes with grease to protect them against contamination. Disassembling the taper bush. First, loosen the screws and unscrew them completely. Then screw the screws into the threaded bores of the bushes. Please note that there may be 1 or more forcing threads, depending on the type of taper bush. Then tighten the screws until the driving element disengages from the bush. Please ensure that the screws are tightened evenly if there are numerous extraction holes. A screwdriver can be used to detach the bushes from the shaft. Carefully drive it into the slit in the bush to force it apart. Check all components for wear and tear. Taper clamping bushes can be used several times. You'll find numerous products with taper clamp bushing designs in our web shop at www.maedler.de.